Greetings and happy Halloween. My name is Creeper Hater and welcome to Hot Dogs, Horseshoes, and Hand Grenades. Now I know what you're thinking, what is Hot Dogs, Horseshoes, and Hand Grenades? Well, it is exactly that. We got hot dogs, we got horseshoes, and we got hand grenades. Now, why are we playing this game on Halloween? Well, it has a game mode called Meat Grinder, which we'll get to in a second. First, I'll explain a little bit more about what a hot dog, horseshoes, and hand grenades, or more commonly known as H3, is. H3 really isn't a game of itself, but as you can see, there is a whole bunch of game modes in them, most notably Take and Hold, Sample Platter, more recently Boomski, and also the Friendly 45 range. But as I said, today we're going to be playing the Meat Grinder, which is a survival horror game. Great for Halloween, not great for literally anything else. Now, I also actually play this game quite a lot. I play mostly Take and Hold, and if I want some sandbox experience, like the Friendly 45 range, but also more recently, I've actually discovered this all the way on the right here, Take and Hold Containment, which I'm not sure if it's new or anything. It's still a work in progress, but it's like Take and Hold, but just on steroids. Anyway, like I said, we're not going to be playing that today. We're going to be playing the Meat Grinder survival horror game, and let's get to it. And here we are, we're loaded in, spawned in this kind of creepy looking room, and of course got all the warnings, 3 of them to be exact. Now actually I recently changed my moving thing because I think teleport would be way too disorienting for if you're watching it. So I have on, I forget what it's called, twin stick, which is, more smooth. Also have a sprint, which I have to hold down, and then I don't have snap turn, I have rotate turn on. So yeah, because I know sometimes watching VR gameplay can be a little disorienting, but that's the controls I have. Anyway, so getting to what Meat Grinder actually is, besides just a survival horror game, you have to bring 3 meats, I'm pretty sure, back to your spawn area, aka where the Meat Grinder is, and you win once you do all that. And of course that gets harder and more enemies and stuff. But I've actually never done that one. I've done the kids meal right here, which is no timer, item spawner, and also you're invincible. But there is more enemies to make it even out a little bit. I have done this one, the kids meaty meal, and it's super fun. But I've never done this classic meat. Also, I've never done these two, which I don't know. But yeah, I did this one. You can also do all your change things about it. So the AI, you can do different difficulties, basically your primary and secondary light source, and the narrator. Now the narrator actually is kind of why I like this game mode a little bit, because usually I would never ever play a survival horror game that's actually a survival horror game. The narrator, I like to compare it to the narrator and GLaDOS and in Portal, because they kind of take the edge off of like the whole situation and all that stuff, and how this narrator in this game takes the edge off the horror. So that's kind of why I like it. And he's, obviously is funny and does all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna have enough talk and eat this hot dog. And if everything's right. Oh, no, not that one. I was about to play okay, that one. It's that one. It's that one. Random. Yes, yeah. Okay. Terse. I've never done that one. Okay, everything's fine. It's that one. Let's get to it. Crunchy. A hot dog was out for about a week. Whoa.
All right, let's get going, Meat. You know the drill.
Oh, jeez.
I love that drill.
Okay, so you get some. Oh, jeez, I can't really see that. How many? 3? Man, these are freaking mean rounds. So you get 3 bullets. There we go. Oh. There we go. So this next one should be a bullet, I think. We got a Zippo. Obviously, you have limited ammo.
Okay, careful. Be delicate with that. It deserves it. It loves it.
Okay, and then also a melee. So what I would usually do, because this is obviously a maze, I'm going to take this light source and probably stick it down here. So it's easier to find the spawn, because you have to go back to the spawn every now and again. So this is, we're in it now. Yeah. I think it's probably easier to find shells for this, so I'm going to have this out instead. So let's get to it. Okay, so these rooms are usually trap rooms. So, yes, okay. So let's step in and see if it's a trap room. Yeah, it's thinking about it. Okay. So this is luckily not a trap room. I get to choose a weapon. And I think I want to choose... Do I want to choose the Bren? I don't think I want to choose the Bren. I already have a shotgun. I'll do this one.
Pick it up. Yes. Touch it. Touch it. I want to touch it. I want to touch it too!
Please stop talking. Oh, here's another one. Oh, here's one.
Yes! You found Jill. Wait, what, Jill? Millie? Millie! It was Millie. Yes. Hello there, Millie.
Come on. I'm weak. There we go. You really gotta, like, if you just... Wow, you really gotta... There. Okay, at least it despawned. Okay, so this is a meat.
It's Billy! You got her! Or him. Or them, of course. I don't remember their preferred pronouns. Or their name, really.
Or their name. Okay, so now we gotta head back to spawn.
Well done. That's terrible. Lily! That was her name! Lily! She loved dark humor.
Good. Good to know. Oh my god! Peek out. Oh. What the... What? Damn it. Great. I don't know how the hell I missed that first one. It scared the dickhole out of me. Damn it. Damn it. Okay. Been over here. Oh my god. Oh, they're hitting me. Got him. Oh shit, I hear a thing. I got one more. I really need ammo. Oh, come on. What? I know I got one more in here somewhere. There it is. Great. Now I got melee. What? Great. Come here!
Boiler? I hardly knew her! But
Oh, jeez. I saw meat on the wall. Ah, fuck!
Does no one understand my work?
I hear another one! Dude, there's two right there! There's two right there! I need freaking health, dude! Oh my god, I'm about to fall down or something. Go, 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 go. I still hear that freaking thing creeping around. Okay. Okay. So here... Okay, it was an attachment. It was an ammo thing, really. I really don't want to step in here because there might be like something I have to fight, and I don't have any bullets for that. And here's another thing I have to fight, probably.
this room is
Okay.
particularly devious.
This one, this one. Go. Grab it. Okay, now we gotta wait. Come on. Ooh. I don't like this. Okay. Okay. I didn't get anything from that. There's a thing right out here. I'm about to die. Oh, God. Okay, back this way. Cool. Ah! Damn it.
I should really buy stock in wet mop.
Jesus, the noises. Okay, I'm dead. This loadout looks fun.
This is meet subject number 7 for today. Hey, lucky number 7. That's you. Get in there, meaty. I put that right there, and now you're touching it. We're connected, you and I.
Love this little tactical shorty. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. Put this out here. Ah! What? Oop, I need that. Oh yeah, I got that too. Tomahawks are really great because you can really reach with it. And you know what? It is probably better to use this instead of my bullets every time. Oh. Let's just go, let's go. Okay. A dice? Or a die, I guess. Shake it. 5. I guess 5 is good.
The penetrative capabilities. Oh, I have to sit down.
Just keep looking that way. Okay, it is better. Okay. Oh.
Welcome to the office. Say hello to all the soulless bureaucrats.
I think I can open these with this. Yes, I can. Okay. And now these are bombs, which I can... Go. Okay. That one's locked. That's a weapon.
Oh, the power. The scale. The virile affordances of its thingness.
I think this is for that. Hell yeah, it is. This is handy. I can just open them without bending all the way down. Cool. I didn't see how many were in here. Oh, this is perfect. Should I put this one in? There might be even less in here. I don't know. I haven't found any meats this run yet. Oh! Found him though. Jesus. Oh, this is the freaking spawn. Dang it. Alright, well, while we're here. Come on, really? I just got done reloading this. It's coming this way, I think. Nope, it just went around the corner. Dead. Yeah, I've been over here. Yeah, I went out that way back to that. Okay, yes. So let's go this way then. Whoa. I just fucking killed myself.
Violent intestines? You've seen them all.
Great. Well, at least I didn't really make any progress on that except for all my weapons.
You know, I don't think I've ever told anyone this before, but when I was a child, I used to close my eyes at night and dream about... I would dream about growing up and becoming a large, menacing door!
Okay. think I can grab that. Oh my god, okay. I can't.
The penetrative capabilities. Oh, I have to sit down.
Cool. Alright, what? Thank you. Damn, this is a single shot shotgun. And there's more shells in there. I just don't need shells. Be nice if I had a tube shotgun. Okay.
Meathead, table for one.
What's in here? Ah, dice room. Cool.
I put that right there.
Oh, wait.
Now you're touching it. We're connected, you and I.
Yeah. Oh, great. Well, what if I... Haha, now what are you gonna do?
This is cold storage. Nothing to worry about here. So just chill.
Oh.
Chill. Oh, look. It's what's left of Bill? No, wait. Bill? Actually, no, definitely Bill.
Fucking hate these creepy noises. Can I? Yes, okay. I don't want this.
Oh, if Jill could only see you now. Or Phil. Well, any of them, really.
Ooh. Ah, okay.
I remember now! Will! That was Will.
Will.
Hello there, Will! Good job.
Okay. Okay, now I gotta find my way back to the offices, because that's usually where the next one spawns. Well, not spawns, the door just opens. Ooh. Creepy noise. That was a site that I just lost. Oh, nope, it's right here.
That device is special.
Oh, fuck!
Only actually special.
Okay. Holy shit. That's what the fuck I thought. Have I been in here? No. Okay. I gotta choose one. MP18. Some AK thing. Oh, I don't have an AK mag? Yes, I do. I want this.
Ooh, the power.
Dang it.
The scale.
Yes.
The virile affordances of its thingness.
There it is. Where's the charging handle? Can't frickin' see it. There it is.
I must confess, part of me wants you to freeze to death. But good luck.
Okay. What the f... Man was bending backwards. Gotcha. Only took me a couple tries. Nope, don't. Charge it again. Okay, I forget where the office was. Been through here. What? Don't mind me. There we go. Must have been the wind. Oh god. Wow, I blocked onto him. Oh, look, another one. Jeez, how many are there? I couldn't see that. Ah, here it is. Okay. Let's freaking... Okay, that only took not that much. There's one. Fuck. Holy fuck. I think that's it. Oh yeah, isn't there a... Yes, there... Oh, thank... Thick. Okay. Nope. Give it to me. There we go. Oh, okay. Here's one.
Yes, you found Jill. Oh, wait, was it Jill? Jillian? Jilly? Millie! It was Millie. Yes. Hello there, Millie.
Okay. Now it's impaled on skewers, and some of these take them out. Not that one. Yeah, it's funny. Okay, that one does that. Funny, yeah. What a guy. Okay. Doesn't do anything. And some of these put him back, actually.
It's Billy! You've got her! Or him. Or them, of course. I don't remember their preferred pronouns. Or their name, really.
Okay. Now we gotta go back to the boiler room. Ah, fuck. Ow, ow. Ugh, Jesus. Damn it. Fuck. Oh. Holy shit. Fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back. I'm out of bullets. Not anymore. I don't know if there's one in there. Hope there is. I forgot. There, you know, hard. Oh, fuck! Okay, here it is. Okay. Put it in, put it in, put it in.
Well done.
Fuck!
Lily! That was her name! Lily! She loved me.
Come on. Fuck! I got nothing in there. I don't know if I... No, I didn't. Are you facing me? Yeah, he is. Fuck! Fuck! Is this when I bullet in it? Yeah, not fucking... What the fuck? Yeah, see, no, this room's open.
Welcome to the... You see that hunk of meat? It belonged to Susan Spielberg. Wait, Spielberg? That can't be right. Hold on. Spielman? Spelling? Spilkowski?
Okay, so this just takes forever and makes a lot of noise, I'm pretty sure. But, yes, this gun might be long enough. I can nudge it out. This way. Yeah, okay.
Yes, good. Pick that up. Silverman. Seriously, what is with all these names sounding alike? I'm so glad HR is dead.
Okay. So you got 5 or 6 in here. All I gotta do is make it back. That's pretty easy from here. So I can go. It's my room. Get it there! Come on.
And in we go. Wait, that was Stillman? Mike Stillman? Well, then where the hell is Susan Spielberg?
Oh, there's a look, there's this for.
My goodness, we are on a roll. Ha! See what I did there? On a roll? Like a hot dog? Oh, goodness, well done. Oh, wait, I did it again! Well done! Like the meat! That is just hilarious. All right, meat. Should I poison you again, or shall we
No.
give this another go?
Oh, you just go back to the. Oh god. Oh. That was something else. I gotta talk in the bottom of the headset because that's where the speaker or the mic is. But man, that was something else. Like I said, I would never usually play a survival horror game, and while that was still scary, I think, yeah, the narrator definitely took the edge off, and hunting for meat is just something that, I don't know, but I actually didn't mention this before, but I was debating on using my webcam or not, because I wanted it dark, but if it was dark, then you couldn't see me, but it's dark outside, so it's close enough. And yeah, so if with the light on, you can see me. And I'm wearing my headset anyway, so I can't really see my surroundings. But beside the meat grinder, H3 has a whole bunch of other stuff for you to experience and play around with. Obviously, a whole bunch of different guns, you know, from pistols all the way up to miniguns and rocket launchers. You can also customize your guns. You can make them as cursed as you can possibly think of. But yeah, anyway, super fun. If you want to see more H3, like I said, like Taking Hold is probably one of my favorites. And yeah, stuff like that, and it's, yeah, super fun. Anyway, guys, it's been Creeper. Like I said, happy Halloween. I'll see you in the next one. See you later.